So it's called a 38 Special. They're using a Bowman Brothers bourbon, big fan, right here in Virginia made. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another Old Fashioned Friday, and this week we're coming to you all the way from Charlottesville, Virginia. And we are at the Local Charlottesville. It's my first time in Charlottesville. It's my first Old Fashioned Friday review in Charlottesville. I was actually planning to go to a different location, actually showed up there. They ended up closing at 2 p.m. Today's Sunday. They closed at 2. It's like 7. It's almost 8 o'clock. So I was doing a quick Google search because I drove a good distance to get here. This place popped up. Cocktails look pretty solid. So I said, all right, I'm gonna come through. You guys know how this works. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. I feel like I should do the ambiance first. It's a dope, cute little spot. Wood floors, brick walls, wood ceiling. They have a decent selection of bourbon, scotch, nice sized bar. It's, like I said, it's a nice, cute little small spot. I was downtown Charlottesville and that kind of seemed like a city, like restaurant, business. And this place is kind of a little bit off the beaten path in Charlottesville. It's kind of on a small little narrow road. And again, it's called The Local, so it's kind of like in a more local location, if you will. I'll go 0.9 off of that out of 1, and we'll jump into the appearance. Here we go. All right, so right off the bat, you guys know, no single cube, no clarified ice. That's obviously no bueno. Now I will say, they do their own version of an old fashioned, which if you've seen my previous videos, you know, if they have an old fashioned on the menu, that's the one I want. I don't care if it's a twisted, mixed, different flavored old fashioned, I want that one. I don't want to create my own recipe. So it's called a 38 Special. They're using a Bowman Brothers bourbon, big fan, right here in Virginia made. $12 price point. They're also using a ginger liqueur, some bitters, local honey, and orange peel. This is, well, it's orange, slice of orange and orange peel. It says orange peel on the menu. I mean, again, no single cube, no clarified ice, decent sized glass, whatever. I think I'll go 1.7 first sip. I like that. Again, it's their own twist. They're throwing some ginger in there to kind of spice it up a little bit, and I think it mixes on the palate really, really nice. I expected the ginger almost to elevate the bourbon a little bit and give the bourbon a little bit more punch, but it balances out incredibly nice, incredibly shocking. Like, it's a good first sip. I'm gonna go 2.5. Now, overall, I don't know how fast this ice is gonna last, but we'll get into overall. Here we go. Still consistent. I think the ginger is so strong that it's not really making too much of a difference if the ice is diluting super fast. Because you do, like, the majority of the flavor is coming from that ginger. It's a little bit overbearing, but it helps with the diluted ice because the taste is still pretty consistent because of the ginger, in my opinion. I mean, listen, if you're looking for a gingered flavored old fashioned, this is it. I would, if they did a single cube clarified ice, this would be like impeccable, incredible. Yeah, maybe a dash of Luxardo cherry. Fairly consistent again because of the ginger. I'm gonna go 2.2 on overall. Not bad for a place that I literally stumbled upon 10 minutes ago. The Local, Charlottesville, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.